What's up, Chooch? Damon? Late? No, I'm not late. I'm not late. I got here 9:15. What's up, Ben? Good, Chooch. Bro, Insta is locked the fuck in. I love it. What's up, Raphael? What's up, boys? What's up, Reeks? I don't know if you guys remember, but I told you guys I would take Euro USD shorts. I am in a short position on Euro. It looks something like this. I don't even know where my stop loss is. I think it's something like this on the breaker. Audio kind of bugged. Is it staticky? Is it good now? Let me hear it. I think I need to just turn the gain down, but I don't know. Is it better now, guys? Do you guys know? Vilvinius? I'm muted? No, I'm not. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Wait for some people to join. So I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, yo. We got those Apex accounts, and we're gonna full port them because I don't want to pay the full activation fee. So we gotta pass by January 3rd. But I'm in a really good trade on Euro. I'm not trying to pay that full activation fee, bro. If we're putting right now. Appreciate you, Lee Fletcher. Appreciate you, bro. You got body, Vinius. So I'm in the short on Euro. I thought I would be up way more. But I'm probably going to hold it forever until... In fact, where is my TP? This is not Euro, is it? Okay, that's why it looks weird. I'm in a short on Euro. And I'm looking to TP at these lows. So I'll be holding that forever. Let's open up the Trade of 8. Make sure I don't flash my account. So I'll be trading these trade. Yeah, I do Forex as well. I'll be trading these Trade of 8. You see I lost 4 cents. I was just trying to see if the trade copier was set up correctly. It is. So from what I know, as long as I select this, then we should be copy trading all the accounts. We're going to switch these to minis. How do you do that? How do you switch charts? We'll just do it like this. Alright, and we'll probably do something like 9 or something. I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure it out when the time comes. What the fuck is this, bro? Alright, I don't know why there's an indicator here, but whatever. We'll leave that there on the side. Today a good day to trade? Probably not, bro. Probably not. If I'm being honest. Okay, we'll just leave that like that. Is NQH5 the mini? Yep, on my Apex evals, I'm gonna be full porting those, so I'll be trading the minis. Not the funded, just the demos. Can you run copy trading trading accounts on TradingView directly? Yes, I think you do. Actually, I don't think you can. Or if you can, then you'd have to get what's it called? A trade copier, like I think it's a paid one, if I'm being honest. Is your chain Cuban split? It's just a silver chain. I do copy trade, yeah. Like my accounts. 50 minis? I'm not gonna do 50 at all. Okay. We'll be trading normal on the MyFunnet futures account though. Bias today. Probably be bearish. I don't see why we wouldn't continue lower. I mean, it also could be seek and destroy. Like we could just not move that much. Um, we could just not move that much, because it's tomorrow's New Year's. Tomorrow's New Year's, right? I think tomorrow the market's closed, right? This is not gold. Nope. Welcome everyone joining. What's up, Massam? Everyone's joining up. Can we have this trading views for free? Yeah. Okay. I mean, the daily chart just looked a little bearish to me, but could I full port my video? I would full port them both personally. I'd full port them both because otherwise you'd have to pay a really large activation fee. Trading view is the best thing ever. Yeah, man, trading view is goated for sure. We do have a 4-hour fair value gap above market price, which I believe is this high right here. So I guess we can mark that up. Mark that up. See if we get there. That'd be a nice place to short from. At least these highs. I guess we'll just mark out the 4-hour fair value gap. See if we get there. We don't need to, but that'd be nice. So extend that to 10 a.m. Besides that, I don't see anything too much that jumps to my eye. I mean, there's these relative equal highs, which is the 4-hour. I do like that we left these relative equal lows. Daily profile looks like a London reversal, though. I will say that. We accumulated, manipulated below midnight, took out some sell side, got the breaker. That is classification of a London reversal. But I think we could potentially get, in fact, a New York reversal. I think it's possible. I don't know if we can move that much, but if I start seeing, strong displacement in the key time from this level, then I'll probably look for some shorts. I'm more interested in taking a short. We could take a long to the buy side here, maybe even the 4-hour, if it forms as a classic PO3. So I'm not opposed to doing that. We'll see how it forms. I will see how it forms. Yeah, we'll see how it forms. And that's 44 points. In my opinion, yeah. Yeah, you might as well just do that. What is that? What's NDOG? NDOG stands for New Day Opening Gap. All right, let's go to the 1 minute here and see what price does. Going into the open, we have 5 minutes just to answer questions and whatever. Bias win yesterday. I was right about shorts, but yeah, I mean, yeah, I gave myself a neutral though, because I thought we were gonna go a little bit lower. I don't know if we did. I don't remember. I don't think we did. We just put in relative equal lows where I thought we were gonna take sell side. Documenting progress is key. Is this Forex? No. This is futures. This is Forex though. I'm in a Forex trade like this. I'm in this Euro USD short. No, my entry was. I don't know where my entry was. It was something like this, maybe. Something like that. I don't know. We'll see if we take out those levels though. That'd be nice. We're gonna backtest tomorrow morning. I will be live. I don't know what I'm gonna do. You guys want to do a backtest? You guys want me to play a game, bro? I could do a gaming stream. Would people come to that though? That's amazing, Boro. Tomorrow market's closed. What do you play? Pretty much everything. Market's closed tomorrow, so I won't be trading tomorrow. Yes, Jesus is Christ. You should. Can you change your name, bro? Because I'm just gonna call you G's. Alright, I'm gonna call you G's. So you know what, G's? Um, yeah, that is a good idea. You should do that. You should be doing that for sure, in my opinion. When you Black Ops is the one game I probably don't play. What data lows? There's no real data lows here. 9 a.m. S&P composite. It's not a big deal. But if I'm gonna go long, I mean, I'm bearish. Like I said, I would prefer taking a short towards the sell side, towards previous day low maybe. I don't know if we can move that much, but I think I'm bearish here. I think I'm bearish. But I don't mind taking a long. I have to pass Apex by the 3rd. Otherwise, I have to pay the full price activation fee. So basically, I have to pay double. So I think I might as well. I didn't know that when I bought the account. If I did know that, I probably wouldn't have bought 3. I would have just bought 1 or 2 50Ks only. But I did buy 150K as well. It's not worth it. So I'm gonna have to full port, which I don't like doing, but whatever. I'm eating eggs. What broker did you buy the phone? I got a trade of it. I got 2 150Ks. You told me about the pass fee. I saw it on Twitter from someone I really, who's like been a long-term affiliate with them, and he's a really good trader. He was like letting people know that, by the way, if you bought Apex accounts and you got like a 300K or something, if you want to pass the activation fee and only pay $85, you have to do it before January 3rd. So you pretty much have today and January 2nd. Oh, Apex trading right now. I'm not. I don't have self. I mean, I have a stock account, but that's about it. You already bought 6. What size account? Like I know one of my friends, he bought 2 300K accounts because it was only $16, right? But for 300K, the normal activation, I think it's $400. So I know he doesn't have $400 to pass 360 for a 300K for Apex. You got 300K. So I'll show you guys the regular. These are the regular activation fees for the accounts. If you pass before January 3rd, then you only pay the $85 activation fee. Yeah, bro, like crazy shit, bro. To be honest, in my opinion, that's a fucking good scam by them, bro. They know so many people are gonna buy those 300Ks, probably blow them, because either they're gonna full port them, and if they don't full port them, then they just get a big fat activation fee. Why should you say 921? The reason it's saying 921, brother, is because you don't have live time data. You don't have real live data. If you want, you can just look at my right chart. Like, I don't know if that's gonna help you though. Everyone's gonna blow it. I know, yeah. I mean, I'm gonna be full porting it too. Might just sell here right now, bro. 9 contracts, sell. I'm joking. My bearish? Mm, It depends. If we go up, I think we'll go back down. If we go down, I think we'll go back up. Does that make sense? I'm kind of just waiting. Real-time data, you have to pay for it if you want it on TradingView. You're gonna have to pay for it. It's like $8 a month or something. Say I won't. Well, what? Why do I have the red blue marked out box? This is telling me what happened in Asia session and what happened in London session. I want to look to one of these levels be traded to. I want to see one of these levels get traded to. Honestly, I should. Let me just finish my eggs here, bro, so I can lock in. Not you, bro. It's my shit ass mic wire. Is it any better yet? I do have some crypto, but I hate it. Is the mic any better? Let me know if it becomes bad again. How many days time do you have to pay the activation fee? Oh shit, my bad, bro. Buys for the day. If it goes up, I'm looking for one of these levels to be traded to. What I would love to see is something like this. This is what I would prefer. So I kind of want to just wait for this, see if it forms. I don't really have a clear daily bias because it's the 31st. It's the last day of the month. Because genuinely, this could just be the daily range like this. I wouldn't even be surprised if we don't make another higher low. I wouldn't even be surprised. If I had to pick, I would say bearish. I want to see previous day low. It's pretty typical in regular conditions that will go to that previous day low, especially when there's a day market like this on a Monday. I'd expect previous day low, but like I said, this genuinely could be the daily range. We might not move any higher or lower than just this. It's possible. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, I see your message, Starvan. If you want to pass, you want to pay. There's no time limit on how much you pay, but the 90% code works But just remember, there's still an activation fee. You just pass your accounts? What the fuck did you do, bro? How? Sub clout. There must be a way to predict the daily range before it forms. There is. I mean, you can use. There are some ways ICT teaches, but honestly, I've tried them all and I haven't really found any consistency, so I don't really use them. What do you mean again? Like in 2024 again? What size account, Eugene? What size account? All accounts. Nah, I don't go live on my phone. You have unlimited time to pay the activation fee with Apex. There's no time limit. I don't think TGR is a good mentor personally. I don't think anyone should be paying that much for a mentorship. All right, boys, we're locked in now. We are locked in. The food is digested. I use fair value gap sometimes, yeah. I actually have no idea about that, Koala. I don't really have a clear bias. I think I'm leaning towards shorts. I would prefer taking a short. I want to see these lows get taken. So we got the change in the state there. Low. Would I ever just short this full port? Oh, 9 is too much. You click the shift button. I think we missed the shorts. I think we missed it. It's too late, man. I need to be precise with the entry if I'm gonna full port because if I'm not precise, then I'll get the drawdown. Gonna go straight to our level. Uh, Full porting Apex accounts. I would take a retrace. I don't think we're gonna get it though. Ah man, I was. The reason I'm full porting my Apex accounts is because if I don't pass them, and this goes for anyone who got Apex accounts with the new discount, if I don't pass them by January 3rd, so by Friday, I have to pay a full activation fee. A full activation fee, which will be like a lot more expensive than it is right now. So therefore, I will be looking to full port them. And I think I might sell this. $90 off, yeah. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna sell this. Let's see what happens. I don't even know if like I'm just going no stop loss. I don't know if it's enough to pass. I just did 3, or I did 9. I think 9 is way too much. Oh, I think I did way too much. I think we should close it and re-enter with 6. I didn't mean to do 9 on each account. I meant to do 6 on each account. I mean 3 on each account. Yeah, it is risky. I shouldn't have taken 9. I think I messed up. I full ported too much. I didn't give myself even enough drawdown. Close it? Nah. We'll see. I'm holding on strong right now. Don't buy and discount. I don't really have a stop loss, but I think if we take that high, I'm gonna get liquidated. Oh wait, no, I think it only did take 3 in total on each account. So I think we're good. I think we're good. So if I sell 9, you can pass it in one. You can pass it in one trade, yeah. Um, Man, it's just confusing, man. This is confusing. No, I don't think I did 9. I think I did 3. The thing is with Apex copy traders, like if you short 9 on 3 accounts, I think it just puts 3 positions on each account. You get what I'm saying? I think you can pass my fund and futures in one trade. I think that's what happened. You know? Explain again, but what's Apex? The reason I don't want to show you guys my full port because people might just click the copy trade button with like they might just copy trade me, and I don't want them to copy trade my full port. It's not a good trade. I'll add 3 positions there. I don't have an SL, bro. It's just a full port. It's pass or fail these accounts in one go. You know? I am using the copy trader. So I think open P&L is it's the bias. I want to see this sell side get taken. Full porting is stressful, man. I don't want to ever do this shit. So I see what's happening. Yeah. So that's a strong wick. Do I ever reverse my position and go long here? Do I trust the process? Yep, Apex accounts, it's very stressful. For real, bro. Like, this shit is stressful, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Looks like we might lose this. Did we already blow some accounts? Because uh, honestly, I'm just gonna leave it at this point. I think it's done. You just got liquidated on one account. That live trading dollar drawn railing drawdown is ruthless. Yeah, it is ruthless, bro. Close it and full port an A plus. The reason I'm not doing that is because if we don't form an A plus, like, I don't know if we're gonna form an A plus. You know, I also don't want to be spending too much time on this. My bias is still bearish. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I. Let me check. Oh, I think 2 of the accounts blew, but I still have the 150K, which will probably blow here. Unless I just reverse it and go. What's the drawdown on 150K? Does anyone know? Does anyone know the drawdown on a 150K account? Someone said 4,500. 6K, 5K. How is it different? I think it's 4,500. I think 4,500 is correct. So let's just try to pass this one, maybe. I honestly forgot that I have one 150K and then two 50Ks. So um, right, let's reverse this. Let's just go max contracts long right here. Hope for the best. What was 50,000? It's probably gonna be an L, but we'll see. Get Tradify 150K. I was bearish. Oh, I think the live trailing drawdown was gonna get me. Yeah, you can use the fair value gaps here and here. How much is it to pass 150K? It's 9K, right? You need 9K? Don't get FOMO. I'm already full ported, bro. I'm just watching. I'm gonna have to close the position here. Why'd I get a 150K? Because I realized they were all the same prices. Can you look at DMs this way real quick? Okay. I'm not in on any good trades, guys. Did you pass it? Yeah, I think you did, bro. If you have 53K on the account, call it, then you passed the 50K. I did get 50Ks, but I already blew two 50Ks. I'm pretty sure that's blown. Wait. Let me see. I'm pretty sure that... Yo, I should have reported them one by one. I think that would have been smart. I think the live trailing drawdown got us. How does the monthly fees go? I don't even know how I did it. Honestly, bro, me neither. I don't like Apex at all. Anyways, we'll focus back up on the charts here. If we take another one, we still have the 150K. I am still looking to full port it and get it over with. It's not allowed to full port one side on each. I don't think so. I don't think it's allowed. Do we just go long here? Okay, I'm just gonna go long here. I think if this candle ticks down into the fair value gap, or I guess we should wait for an inversion. I would prefer taking shorts. So if we can, let's say, oh, we already inversed that. Well, I guess there's a 2-minute. If we can come down and inverse this fair value gap, I actually don't mind shorting. Look at that. Walk the market in front of y'all. But you're cool, bro. Does anyone know the time? Can I switch? I'm still bearish. I mean, we almost hit that TP. We just put in another relative equal low. So we'll see how this goes. I want to see if we enter this fair value gap. If we inverse it, I would short that personally. Yeah. I blew 2 of the accounts. We still have one more. But why would you get a 150 if they're the same as 50? It's not the same, bro. The price is the same, so you might as well just get the more expensive one. The thing is, I didn't realize that, like, well, I did realize, but I was trading on the actual 150K, so I bought it. Should I hold? I personally wouldn't. I'd wait to see what happens here. I bought them from Apex. And the reason I'm not showing my screen for for the people who've been asking and I didn't reply to you guys, that I don't want people to copy trade my full port. It's just a gamble. We're just full porting it. We're looking to pass or fail in one trade, you know? So that's the reason I'm not showing. I don't want anyone to be like, oh, he's long, let's go long. Like, you know? It's like straight up 50-50. There was no analysis. I saw a candle, you know? Apex making a damn bag on these sales. For real, bro. For real. Bro, if I had known I only had 2 days to pass, I wouldn't have got the account. Simple. Because I hate full porting. I don't like full porting. We tapped into a 2-minute bullish fair value gap there. I would prefer to short this inversion fair value gap right here. If we get a clean inversion, I think I will go short. The thing is, we have to kind of wait on the 2-minute. I could just try and predict it and sell short now. Just pull port the short now, maybe. All right, let's see. Gatie, can you read volume best? Yep, yes you can, brother. Why do you only have 2 days to pass? Because if I pass it after January 3rd, then I have to, what's it called? I love when caddy full. Bro, no, bro. Full porting sucks, bro. Full porting sucks. Trust me, full porting sucks. I think I would short this on my fund futures account. I wasn't paying enough attention on my fund futures account. I have to remove this now. Let me put on buy buttons. It meets the criteria for a short. Let's see if we inverse the 2-minute. Yeah, but I hate full porting, bro. I hate it. It puts me on tilt. It puts me on edge. This meets the criteria for me, but let's just see here. I'm not gonna take it now. I'm not gonna take it now because I know I just full ported and I'm a little bit on edge, so I'm just gonna wait and see a bit. Wait and see a bit. Go long. But I'm bearish. Inner circle trader? What do you mean? Did we inverse the 2? We did inverse the 2. We tapped into the 1 there. 26-point stop loss. This would be 6 to 7, 8 micros. Just going live and hearing hella opinions about market message for trading? Nah, not really. I'm used to it. I'm just focused on this one full put right now. This does meet the criteria for a short, but I didn't take it. See what ES is doing. Yeah, ES also bearish. Took the short. I took the short on my full port. How do I get rich? Learn how to trade, master it. You're gonna try to do what you're using. I don't know what VWMA is, but I'll probably never trade using that. How much is it to pass a 150K? Is it still 9,000 on Apex? I'm in on my full port, guys, but I didn't take it on the real account. It's 9K. All right, I might just hold this one and just see what happens. You mostly causing equities and breaker blocks. Why? Breaker blocks the strongest PD rate. How's the full port? It's up right now. This is the full port trade I took, and it's 11 contracts. So if it just goes a little bit lower, I think we'll pass the 150K. You need 159K to pass, right? Yeah, bro. I sent it on the 150K. Nasdaq, bro. Minis, yeah, all the way, bro. One trade. I just set break even. Nah, I wouldn't have broke even. I just want to pass or fail. That wick is kind of cooking me right now because live trailing drawdown. 11 contacts crazy? Yeah, bro, for real. That's why I didn't want to show the trade, you know? Oh, I think the live trailing drawdown just got us because they just closed the trade. Yeah, see? So we finished the account up 3,000, but then the live trailing drawdown got us. Well, that's the end of the Apex full port era. I'm not going to get any more accounts because I don't want to full port anymore. We still have our Apex funded. Yeah, well, what was that, bro? I was up Yeah, I guess I see what happened. I was up 6K for a sec there. Live trailing drawdown is crazy. Huh? I do have my funded futures already. Let's just focus up here. Let me just make sure all these accounts are gone. Okay, that's good. Oh, you have to go cancel them too. Bro, that's so stupid. Let me make sure I cancel. Gambling crazy. Where's the risk management? I wasn't trying to manage risk on that trade, bro. I was trying to full port. What is the Apex promo code? Use code MISO, MAISO, and if you use that code, still bearish. Okay, let's focus up here. We have an SMT here. I wouldn't say it's worth a shot. I don't like the 90% coupon code. You long or short? None. No, none. I think all the accounts just got liquidated, so no more Apex full porting. I will stick to the whatever things on the bottom there. Just type save now. Take the rules. What a waste of money. I mean, yeah, bro. I mean, I had the accounts. I might as well full port them. You know, getting funded with Apex worth it. Apex is my least favorite personally. It's my least favorite personally. Which entry model? I trade power of 3. I trade power of 3. Apex is always 1 day pass. I like this 3 minute, but let's see what happens here. Looks like we might not even take the sell side. I didn't take any. No, I didn't. I didn't trade any trade. I didn't take any trades. Yeah, I'm just gonna say no. The thing is, power of 3. Yeah, power of 3 is my model. 953 root connect. That's what it wants. Apex actually lose 2K per day on 50K, so you pass or fail. Yep. Well, you kind of have to full port. I mean, I'm not gonna pay freaking what, like $400 for a funded for an activation fee. You know, I already got the accounts. There's no point in not going for it. Can you explain your model? It's on my YouTube video. I bought 150 and me too, random. Me too, bro. Same thing. Yeah, Apex is gonna make a bag off this. Bro, they should have made it more clear to people that the $85 was only gonna be till January 3rd. They should have made it more clear, bro. Like that's a bro, in my opinion, bro, that's a fucking scam, bro. Like I thought I was gonna have time to pass these accounts, so everyone got like tricked into getting 300K accounts and shit, and then you know, maybe I was trying to do some serious. Yeah, bro. That's scammy, bro. In my opinion, that's scammy as fuck, bro. Like it didn't even say on the advertisement. I had to find out from someone else who's like a partner with Apex. Load the rule Apex will get payout. That's what I'm saying, bro. I hate Apex. I just really don't like Apex. It's like I wouldn't even want to be a freaking affiliate with them. They didn't clearly explain on the website exactly, bro. Exactly. It's Builders PO3. I mean, right now, I think this is more one of my seek and destroy models. Like I said earlier in the stream, I think this could be the high and low for the day. It's possible. So originally 930 buy side, we get that initial original move down. At this point, we either reverse or this is a retracement. I wanted to see this as a retracement, but what happened with Apex? Tips on controlling emotions better. You got to figure out what's wrong with your emotions. Any trades? No trades. No trade. I didn't take any trades on my actual accounts. When Apex joins your live account, they have you strict on rules. Apex doesn't have daily drawdown though, but they have live trailing drawdown. That's so sus, bro. Like they want you to full port, and they want you to blow it. It's almost like that's what they want, bro. Good shit, Chappie. That looks like a bit of a protraction model. This is a protraction model, exactly, right? It is exactly a protraction model. But you just have to know, right? In the protraction model, it states there needs to be an expansion identified. So if there's no expansion identified, then we're just going to keep ranging. Therefore, this is not a protraction. This is just another price leg, and it's going to keep doing this and this and this, and it's nothing really good. Our Euro USD short is looking good. They do. Yeah, they do that. They do, so don't do it. It's yeah. Why did price come up? I think this is a retracement. But like I said, this might be the range. Like what I've been trying to say is it's January 31st. It's the last day of the month. We don't need to have a large daily range today, you know? So far the daily range is from this low to this high. That could be it, you know? If I had to pick a side, I would pick lower. But like I said, that's possibly just it, you know? Top Step, yeah, I love Top Step, bro. I actually love Top Step. I can't wait to get Top Step accounts again. I'll probably get them the second week of January. Why are you not long? Well, obviously because I don't think it's gonna go up, and my model doesn't say long. You know, I have to make sure I cancel those Apex accounts. Let me not forget that. Shit, never gonna sweep liquidity. It's pretty weak right now. We just got an SMT at the highs. If we do break lower with a bearish fair value gap, I could short that, but it looks like we might just take out the highs on both assets. We just might get an inversion here. Protraction model. Did someone buy Apex? Did you buy some more? No, I'm not gonna buy any more. I wouldn't have bought them to begin with. I wouldn't have bought them to begin with had I known that I would have had to pay the full activation fee, you know? I wouldn't have got them otherwise. Because I already have an Apex funded and I don't like it. BUS on top, you can take long. I wouldn't take this long personally. It's not in my criteria. 90% off to full port was a good deal. Yeah, you had, I mean, yeah, it's not bad. You had 1 day to pass. But it's just me personally, I don't like full porting. I don't like full porting. This is your first presentation. Let's see if we can get back below it. You still have today to trade. You still have until January 3rd. That's what I was told. You have until January 3rd. If we get a bearish fair value gap here, I'll short, but I don't know if we will. I don't know if we will. I think we go lower, to be honest, but I feel like I've seen this form before. I need to see this inverse. I want to see a bearish fair value gap here. Let's say we got a bearish fair value gap like this. The wrong account. We could just take it with one mini, 10 micros. Looks like we're gonna get that bearish fair value gap I talked about. Could take the breaker. See if it forms. It needs to close bearish. I could wait for a fair value gap, be a little bit more patient. I think this is just classic goodness. All right, let's try. I'm gonna trust it. I'm gonna trust the SMT here. . We'll find out. We shall find out. We're inside the macro still. We inverse the first presentation fair value gap here. So that's your first presentation. Respected this breaker block and its protraction model. Or seek and destroy model. They both align here. So far, not the best fill. I like the risk to reward on this trade though. Got 50K, nice, bro. I'm happy for you, bro. Appreciate you. I choose professional instead of non-professional trader. That problem. To professional. I would only choose professional if you're actually professional, brother. You know. I don't think. What's your TP at? TP's at low of day right now. But I'm gonna obviously keep an eye out for the sell side here. Keep an eye out for the sell side here. I did mark out all the sell side levels. Being pretty slow right now. There is a world where you can trail the stop right here because that's an immediate rebalance. It probably should not go above there. I guess we're forming a 2-minute fair value gap though, so. I took the trade off the breaker. High, low, higher, high, lower, low, breaker block, and we have an inversion of first presentation fair value gap. I just realized I called it first presentation power of 3. First presentation fair value gap. Hey, Happy New Year, brother. Happy New Year, brother. I full ported Apex accounts 11 and I blew them all. Live trading drawdown got me on all 3 accounts. But we're back. I don't wanna full port any more accounts. In fact, let me remind myself to cancel here. Oh, can we just get the quickest TP ever? There's sell side. I'm gonna reduce my stop to here. I don't like that word. I wish it just go plump all the way through. If it's seek and destroy condition, it could slow down and just keep being annoying. I mean, that's a really nice body forming right now. Wait, hold on. Let me do this correctly. We're already at 2R. And we took out London lows. Part of me wants to close. Part of me wants to hold. I think I just trailed the stop here. We're almost at low of day. I think we should have no problem getting there. I'm gonna trail the stop just at the London lows. That's London lows, right? I'm gonna trail the stop at London lows. I'm gonna stop myself out there. Or not. Okay, there you go. Nice. So I TP'd at London lows. Yeah, you could have held it. No, this is not a full port. This is an actual trade on my funded futures account. That was definitely not an emotional trade. All my model criteria was met there. I told you guys I was bearish. I said if we get the inversion here, I'm gonna go short. Really called it out. No, this is not a full port. GG, thank you. Not a full port. I'm done full porting. I said I'm gonna trust the SMT. I trusted the SMT. I TP'd at London lows. I think it might go lower. I'm happy with London lows. Orange juice futures are propping. That was a clean trade. That was, bro, emotional trader. Bro had a TP and your emotions kicked in. I mean, I'm more than happy with my TP. I'm more than happy with my 2R. I don't need it to take this low. I don't want to deal with a retracement. I don't want to deal with potential seek and destroy conditions. I mean, it's 10 points. I took 1 trade, guys, and it was a win so far. 700 USD on the 50K is amazing. Yeah, but how are you guys gonna hate right now, bro? TikTok are fucking haters, bro. Haters. What made you short? I'll tell you. I was bearish the whole day. I said if I didn't have a clear bias, but I marked out these levels, the relative equal lows here. They were too clean. 1, 2. I was already thinking that previous day low is likely. So what did I trade? How did I trade it? I said I want to see a 930 PO3 reversal. We got expansion lower. This is my protraction model inside the 950 macro. See, I didn't want to deal with this retracement. That's why I TP'd. But TP at London lows is an amazing TP, right? Sure, it's probably going to come down and take Asia or pre-market new day opening gap. It doesn't need to right away. We just took out London lows, bro. You know? So, hey, it might go all the way to previous day low, which I also marked out. I marked out previous day low. It could go there. But I'm more than happy taking my 2.2R. We took one trade, guys. This was the trade. Anyway, so why did I take the trade? It's my protraction model. So in my protraction model, I wait for a retracement and I wait for an inversion. In this case, I was looking at first presentation fair value gap. I also saw the SMT here. Just my protraction model, you know. So everyone's saying that was a gamble or an emotional trade. But the rules are like right there for me, you know. I didn't have to question anything. All I had to do here was trust the model. Let's get this to all-time highs. Trump pump. Oh yeah, celeb's back with the comments. You know, a good US broker. I like Tradiovate. I took a similar trade. Nice, bro. Let's see if we end up. So now this is where I just tape read. You know, like okay, there's Asia lows. So this was our final. I wouldn't say final TP, but it's not really Asia lows. I'm just gonna label it as Asia lows. It's low of day, right? It's just low of day. I'll just label it as low of day. So this was my final TP. Yes, we reclaimed the first presentation. So this was my final objective. Well, my final TP. Final objective would have been right here. Previous day low. But like I said, it's the 31st. So I wouldn't be surprised if the daily range doesn't get expanded. But now that we took low of day, it's possible. But so let's see. Hypothetically speaking, short to previous day low. I'm already happy with the short I took to London lows. Hypothetically speaking, yeah, I mean, we could go lower here. It's 10 a.m. candle. Usually 10 a.m. is quite expansive. It could easily just come down here and then close around here, 11 a.m. maybe 10:50. I entered off the breaker, so I entered like this. I think I got a little bit better fill because high, low, higher, high, lower, low, and the inversion fair value gap. Only if only you full ported with your model. Yeah, you're right. If I just waited for the model there. Days like these prove trading isn't gambling for real, bro. That's a better way of full porting if you ever will. I probably will never do it again. Confluences, the SMT, the first presentation fair value gap inside the macro 930 protraction model. It's just my model. Why did you say something about having to pass in 2 days? Listen, I'm going to say it one more time. If you bought an account with the new Apex code, that's 90% off. Okay? Your activation fee is $85 for the account. Only until January 3rd. Once January 3rd comes, you're going to pay the full activation fee price. I didn't know that when I bought 3 accounts. So, I don't want to pay the full activation. I don't even want Apex accounts, to be honest, bro. But I was like, okay, that is just so cheap, I might as well just get them. I don't even like Apex. I genuinely don't even like Apex, bro. So, the full activation fee depends on the account that you want. If you got a 300K account, your activation fee is $360. I'm not trying to pay that, especially for a prop firm that I don't even like, bro. Like, I don't like Apex, bro. The 50K one is only $160. So it's honestly, it's not a bad deal if you got 50Ks. I still have the Apex funded Rana. We're still up on the account, $600. Nothing wrong with that account. I'm taking a break from it until January 2nd week. So yes, I use TGIF. Do you think we'll go long right now? Do you think we'll continue because of ES? I mean, what do I think is going to happen? We just formed a bullish breaker on the 1 minute. We are retracing into the 5 minute fair value gap. It's really hard to say. I would look to just see what happens from here. You know, I wouldn't even try and predict it. We wouldn't inverse this fair value gap if we're going to continue lower. we would do something like this. If that happens, well, then you can probably expect the drawn liquidity to be previous day low. Listen, Apex funded is not bad. The lowest account, I wouldn't get lower than 50K because are you trying to pass the accounts until January 3rd? The lowest account, okay, I'll show you guys the picture. I'll show you guys the picture. So these are the activation fees accounts. So I bought two 50Ks and 150K. So that would have been 280, 160, whatever, right? In all honesty, I didn't really need to full port the 50Ks, but I didn't want to pay $160 for an activation fee. I don't want more Apex accounts. Like genuinely, I don't want to spend money on Apex accounts. I don't like Apex. I already have an Apex funded, and I'm just looking to get one payout, and then I'm gonna just take it all out and just move over back to Top Step and my funded futures. I'll do Apex down the line in future. Me personally, I don't like them. But I know a lot of people who bought the 300K account because they thought the activation fee was gonna be $85. If you bought, you get the money to trade with. Is there a reason why? I don't like the live trailing drawdown. I don't like the platform. I don't like their consistency rules. I don't like their payout rules. I think 8 days is a lot. So I just don't like it. I don't like the platform. I don't like the dashboard. I don't like their rules. I think they have too many rules. And I don't like them. I don't think they're gonna extend it. I think they know exactly what they did. How much will it take for 25K? So for 25K accounts, your activation fee will be $150 after January 3rd. So, I mean, just get the 160K. Just get the 50K. If you get a 25K, that just makes no sense, bro. Just get the 50K. So a funded account, Tune, you buy an account. It's like a demo account. So it's like they give you a demo account with 50K, and they give you rules on the account. And if you can follow those rules and make money, then you can request a payout for the money you made. You know, that's basically how it is. You think longs look good? I'm still bearish. You do the exact same entry as Justin Weirlin? That's cool. Is Apex reliable? Yeah, I mean, they'll pay you out. I just don't like their rules. I don't like their rules. And I don't like the fact that... Listen, I don't like the fact that they scammed. I feel like they tried to hide the information in the fucking fine print of the promotion, bro. The latest contract? Yeah, it's NQH 2025. NQH 2025. Look at that. The TP ended up being pretty beautiful, right? It's a pretty deep retracement. I haven't tried funded next. I probably won't try funded next. What I do know is we pretty much just gave Apex a free $75, which is actually not that bad, to be honest, for 3 accounts. That's actually pretty good. But let me make sure I cancel. So I'm gonna show you guys. Is there any information here that's so I'm gonna cancel. How's my Euro USD short going? Okay, not bad. Just buy 30% consistent rule is, you think that's good or bad? Yeah, I know that it's but I don't know, like it's bad, right? I really don't like that rule. I rely a lot on my trades. I get consistent 2Rs, and then every now and then I get a really good trade that just saves my entire account. Like that's kind of how I do it, you know? That's the homie, bro. Do you know if there's a promo code for Top Step? Nah, there's no promo code for Top Step right now. If there ever is one, you can't find me on YouTube. I'm GatieTrades on YouTube, brother. Indirectly, they're saying pay us 17 and forget. For real, bro. And for those who passed the 300K, I kind of feel bad, bro, because $400 is not what they were expecting to pay for an activation fee. Any suggestions for beginners about funded accounts? I would just watch a YouTube video on it. Which prop firm is reliable for new? All the futures ones are pretty profitable. I mean, reliable. Wait, I just realized I didn't use... Well, that's annoying. based on seeking a short. Yeah, that's why I said like the reason I'm not favoring holding a short here. That's a levs call. That's a levs. That's a levs. Is it in your bio? What's in my bio? Sorry to ask, but how much? Well, where does it say you have to pay full price after the third? I got that information. True, I guess I should say that. I got that information from one of the partners with Apex. He posted a tweet saying the whole promotion, and he said the catch is you need to pass by January 3rd to get the $85 activation fee. You know, so I got that information from. It says it on the email. Okay, it also says it on the email they sent. It also says it on the email they sent. So just look at the email. If you got an email from them, it's probably there as well. Your YouTube. My YouTube is GatieTrades. I'm live on YouTube. Is NFP gonna do the stop trading on Wednesday PM session? I wouldn't even extend it to Wednesday PM session. The thing about Wednesday PM session is I'm pretty sure there's FOMC minutes on that day, and that day usually sucks. I spelled my name wrong, my own name wrong. I think it's short still. I think it's gonna keep ranging. Yo, Lev, are you still in the? Is the left still here? Will you be taking more trades? Maybe 10:30. I don't. I'm not opposed to. I think I want to get into the routine of maybe not taking more, but like I don't know, maybe risking some of the profits. Because if I'm gonna go for base war, you Alevs, are you in on Nvidia? Bro, it moved too fast, bro. No, honestly, I just hesitated. I didn't buy the daily fair value gap. I didn't buy the daily fair value gap like I was planning to. But yo, the reason I didn't buy the daily fair value gap was because Loki, I was bearish on Nasdaq, bro. If we inverse the 2 minute, did you just take the monthly straight up? If we inverse the 2 minute imbalance on NQ, good short. Um, it's looking like a seek and destroy day, boys. I would look for 1030 or 1050 macro. I don't in seek and destroy. I don't trade any. Me personally, I'm not saying you have to do this. When I trade seek and destroy conditions, I only trade breakers at the open or a macro move. So 10 a.m., 10:30, 11 a.m., or the 9:50 macro, 10:50 macro. Otherwise, I'm not taking a trade in seek and destroy whatsoever. That's just how I do it. I've lost so many freaking trades, accounts. I've lost payouts. I've lost so much shit just getting stuck in a market that's ranging. Where I'd be like, okay, bearish fair value gap here. Let's short it. Stopped out instantly. I'm like, you know what? It's going long. Okay, I take the inversion. Stopped out immediately. Like, I've been there. You think it's not seek and destroy? I mean, let me show you ES chart and then tell me again it's not seek and destroy. We took sell side, we took buy side, we took sell side. We retraced deep. We didn't take out any buy side. We took out another deep retracement, taking out minor sell side. Then we took out minor buy side. Then we took out major sell side. Then we took out, like, this is seek and destroy, bro, 100%. You know? Classic seek and destroy. This is definitely seek and destroy. What is with the trading dollar and trade? Let's see. Then you're down 1,050 Kuala. Which is why on Apex, I take all my trades out on 2R. I just close it 2R. I don't even look for TP. Just 2R, 2.2, 2.3 if it's like right there. So keep it close with Kuala. Listen, it's a good thing for you. It's a good thing for me too. Just close it at 2R. That's it. You don't have to aim for more. Just 2R, take it out. Period. 2.5 if you want. 3. Hi, Gatie. Can you explain the importance of 1030 just an hourly close of the RTH bar? Hourly close of the RTH bar and the hourly open of the RTH bar. That's its first prevalence for power of 3. So it's like any power of 3. It also is 30 minutes into the hourly candle of electronic trading hours. So I'm really expecting a move there because it's a very key opening time, you know? It's like the halfway mark, right? Think about it like this. Think about it like a race, right? If we go down for 30 minutes, right? If we're going to end up closing bullish, you know we're going to go up for probably 30 minutes. If we're going to close bearish, well, we still have time to retrace and then go lower. So it's kind of like a pivotal-ish time, in my opinion. That's not really how ICT taught it. It's more of kind of something I just found in like thousands of backtested trades. But you can just use it the same way you use 10 a.m. It does force you to be disciplined. I like that. What's up, Insta? We'll probably do a market review, boys. It's your seek and destroy. In this case, seek and destroy. You might have seen this as a protraction model at the time. Right? And we're using first presentation in this case. This is your breaker block / CISD. You could have seen it as a, but then it would have been a seek and destroy either way, right? So seek and destroy with the breaker here. That's how I took it. So we have the inversion. It's also seek and destroy. So I'll look for the breaker in the macro or at 10:30. Bias change to bullish. In my opinion, it's going to keep ranging. What's up, Cocky? Happy New Year's. I took this on a My Funded Futures eval. I will not be trading my funded account until second week January. So January 6th. January 6th. Is it January 6th? Hold on, let me double check, make sure I'm not giving false information. No, probably not even January 6th. Probably January 14th is when I'm going to start trading my funded account. Why? Because in the last 4 years in backtest, the first week of January was really shit for me. I did not find my model form clearly. I could not find the drawn liquidity clearly. When I did find the drawn liquidity, it just went one direction and no retracement. So yeah, I'm just gonna avoid that on my funded completely. I'll still be live every day. I'll still be trading the eval. Is this a market maker buy model? I view this market as a seek and destroy, right? We're staying within a range. You have to probably resync your broker, Yoshi. Just do a manual resync of your broker. You trade NQ? I do trade NQ. Well, I trade the micro, but same thing. Yo, Lev, you still here or nah? It's too late to apologize. It's too late. Yo, what do you guys think? Do you guys think this hits TP on Euro? This trade? Daily chart. This is the daily chart. Does this hit TP before SL? I said it's too late. I don't know, bro. Ask Alex. I see travel to the I don't know what he's going to include in the 2025. He said he's going to be trading a live account and focusing more on entry models and trading models in 2025. And he's going to be doing it on a live account with AMP futures. That's what I heard him say. And he was still making range lower highs. Yeah, bro. Whoa, whoa. Big candle right there. Sellers came in action. I'm waiting 5 minutes for again. 50, then I'll be bullish. Well, me personally, I think we can keep going lower on the daily, man. I think it's possible. We just take out this wick, take out these equal lows. He said we focus on really showing how he trades in live instead of just teaching. Yeah, which I think would be really cool. For me, I think that would, I'm not gonna really be there to just learn. But you know what, the 1028 Drake candle, bro, it's obviously my number one model, bro. You already know how it works. Yeah, like I'm not looking to add anything to my model, but I just kind of want to see, you know, I like watching people trade live. I want to see what they see. I want to see what he thinks. Um, so I don't mind taking another trade. It would have to be a short. We now have SMT like this. I will need to see a breaker. This wick kind of ruined it for me. Yes, Mandy, that is true. I think this is just a seek and destroy condition. We might expand during lunch, like going into lunch. We might get that move. In my opinion, again, it would be lower. Why are you looking MSS? I don't trade seek and destroy without the breaker. If we can inverse the 5-minute busy, I think there could be opportunity to go yesterday's low. Yeah, possible, I guess. You learn seek and destroy ICT? Yes, but I also learned it majority in backtest. Like it's his model, he taught it. He's the reason I know what seek and destroy is, what it looks like, how to identify it. But then, like I said, I take all that information into my backtests, and when you backtest thousands of trades, you kind of just pick up a couple things. Long from the PO3, nice, bro. The seek and destroy here, yeah, you can definitely long this too. Like every time you go below an opening price, so 10 a.m. open, as soon as we go below it, you can look for your breaker long, low, high, lower, low, higher, high. That meets the criteria for my long too. I could have taken this trade, I would have broken no rules. It's the exact same trade on the opposite side. I would have taken it like this. And now same thing. That's how I play seek and destroy Gotti. Have you bought that protein shake that Walmart sells like 30 gram protein, 180 calories? I think so, bro. The 5-star one. Yo, Alevs, if you want protein powder, let me put you on. Where did I get this one? Bro, they had a crazy sale, bro. My protein, what is it called? My Protein Canada or some shit? Bro, you can get like an insane amount and for like cheaper than anything. But are you talking about the 6-star one, Alevs? What was that 300 tick candle? Oh, my bad, bro. I accidentally clicked sell. Yeah, I'm in Canada. I accidentally clicked sell. It's a drink. Oh, the one that looks like chocolate milk. Premier? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. It looks like chocolate milk. Yeah, I know that. What about it, bro? Like my girl drinks that all the time. Wait, I think she drinks another one. But yeah, what about it, bro? TBM. We made bigger trade. Any trade today? I took one trade. I'm showing the execution right here. Took it on my funded futures evaluation account. You traded 10 a.m. reversal. What's your girl think about you being a trader? She's pretty supportive, to be honest. She's pretty supportive. I think she sees potential just like me. Okay, let me make sure I cancel those freaking Apex accounts. Which prop firm is it easiest to get payouts on? Depends on the account you buy. I never saw that product in the right one, but damn, the macros are crazy. How many calories does that thing have? Wait, let me make sure we didn't take any trades on. Okay, nice. The Apex one that is still intact. And I won't be trading that. I think we continue to range. Like, I would expect this to play out, to be honest. See if you get an order block here. I'd expect that to play out. 1030 power of 3, 1030 open. Classic stuff. Could you explain your strategy in simple terms? In the simplest way I can explain it, you see this 4-hour candle right here on regular trading hours. This one right here. It's also this one and this big one and this one. I tried to trade in the direction of the body of this candle. In order to do that, I use the opening prices in power of 3. See, looks like it's gonna play out, right? We got the order block. Just seek and destroy, man. If it goes up, you're looking for an opening price to go down. If it goes down, you're looking for an opening price for macro to go back up. And eventually, it'll probably just expand in one direction. Next Power of 3 video is going to come. It'll probably be next weekend. I'll probably need the weekend to record it. Okay, how do you... Yeah, I think it's going to continue down. It doesn't need to go all the way down here, though. It doesn't need to go all the way down here. It could stop right here. It could stop at this fair value gap. It could stop when ES takes the low. Entry model. In this case, I would have taken the fair value gap, but I mean, I guess I don't really want to take it. Could you explain the trade you took? Yeah, should I just do a trade recap? Should I just do a trade recap? Trading view is only delayed if you don't have lifetime data. I do. I am bearish. I mean, I think we can take previous day low. I think it's possible. Let's see. Do we respect this fair value gap? Do a trade recap. Okay, let me cancel my accounts before I forget, because I will forget. So cancel accounts. Competition is better. Yo, what should we put for the reason? I think we should listen. I think we should all put the reason together, bro. You have to be today's daily bias was seek and destroy, Ricardo. You need to understand that today is a likely day for the market to just range. What do you guys think? You do have to buy real-time data on TradingView, or you can just get a Trade account. I just got here. Why are we canceling? I'm canceling the ones that I full ported, guys. The ones that I full ported. Competition is better. Don't you know price is too high? I got you guys. Yeah, we lost those. I lost it in profit. The live trailing drawdown got to me, so I think I risked too much. Like we finished in profit, but the live trailing drawdown got me. Scam, coupon, code, or I'll say fake, fake promotion. I'll say fake manipulative promotion and shit live. They can ban me. Oh shit, I can get banned for saying this shit. Yo, I'm not gonna say shit. I'm not gonna say shit, bro. I'm not gonna say shit. I still have my funded account with them, so I'm not gonna say shit. Apex, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Please don't ban me. Please don't ban me. Please don't ban me. I don't care that much. No one's gonna read that shit anyways. Hello, brothers and only for swing high to swing high because I swing is in Q. It can be from Wix, brother. It doesn't need to be a swing high. I mean, listen, I'm not gonna lie. Apex is not that bad. It's my third favorite. We gotta stand on 10 toes. It's my third favorite. But I do think that promotion code, they're making it seem like it's such a good promotion. They make it seem like it's such a good promotion, but in my opinion, they know damn well it's not a good promotion for us. Why would they only give you 2 or 3 days to pass with the activation fee? It's like they want you to full port it and lose it. That's not something a prop firm should be promoting. Yeah, I mean, compared to Apex and compared to My Fund Futures and Top Step, yeah, it's shit. Think about it like this, bro. The other prop firms, like you can't even full port Top Step, bro. Can we have TradeAway demo to TradingView? Yes, you can, brother. Can you explain your trade? I'm gonna do a trade recap. Let me just cancel the other 2 accounts real quick. Then I'll do a trade recap, and then we'll probably call it quits. The activation fee is only until January 3rd, brother. Then you have to pay the full amount. In my opinion, Top Step, number 1. Number 2 is My Fund Futures. Number 3, Apex. Well, I don't see that new one. What's that new one? Elite Funder Trading or something? Yeah, that's the code Yoshi, but that's only they did the same shit on Black Friday. Yeah. Like they make it like lifetime PA fee. They make it seem like it's $85 for always. I think Take Profit Trader, yeah. They make it seem like it's always gonna be $85. That's what I thought when I said lifetime fee. But then I realized it's lifetime fee for 3 days. I don't know, there was an expiration date on lifetime. Drawdown is how much you have to work with in the account. Top has best rules, profit target, and drawdown for combines. And me the consistency rule. That's really good, Alevs. I will do a recap, guys. I'm gonna do a recap. Give me like 1 or 2 more minutes. I'm just canceling the last couple accounts. I don't know why it takes so long to load. I think they purposely make it so long to load. Yeah, I know what they mean, Kiko. I know what they mean. It's just I feel like I don't like that. In my opinion, that promotion is not good. If you're gonna give a promotion, just give the discounts. You shouldn't be putting a limit on passing the account. Which one best funded pass strategy? Yeah, I'm gonna do a full recap. Don't worry. Okay, I think we have one more account to cancel. Not the money for passing, Michael. The money to activate the account if you pass. I took one trade today, and we hit TB. It's a great business move for sure, because they know everyone's gonna full port, and for those who don't know to full port, then you know they're gonna have to pay that big activation fee. I'll tell you why I don't like it, guys. I have some friends who bought 300K accounts because they were only $20, thinking that the activation fee was gonna be $85 because that's kind of what it seemed for them, the way they promoted it, right? Now that they had those accounts, they wanted to trade them properly, but now that if they do that, they have to drop a $400 activation fee on each account, which is not something they're in a position to do. So they kind of just lost the money. I'm gonna do a trade recap. The 150 activations that's only for the 50K account, Michael. Take care, Yoshi. Can you break down the turtle soup market success for value gap strategy? Those are like two different entry models. So I think you might be a little bit confused. Okay. If I can only trade 2 to 3 days a week on top of you, is that okay to do? Yeah, bro. You can do 1 day a week if you want. Just know that with evaluation accounts with futures, take care less. If you have evaluation accounts with futures, evaluation accounts with futures, you pay monthly until you pass, right? Yeah, that's okay, bro. You don't gotta trade them all, bro. You don't gotta trade them all. And if anything, that's better, bro. Keep your keep your stuff good. All right, trade recap. Okay. Okay, so Livestream keeps asking for a trade recap, so I'm gonna do a trade recap. The reason I took this short to low of day is for one reason, the bearish bias that I had. I kind of had two biases. My first bias was we're gonna be a range day. It's the last day of the month. It's December 31st. I'm expecting a range day, especially because yesterday was a very large expansion day. We also had a large move in London session, so that's kind of two things telling me there's a good chance today is going to be a range day. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for low hanging fruit objectives. These relative equal lows are really clean. I thought that there was a good chance we go to them. And if we were to continue lower, I thought previous day low was a good potential draw on liquidity. So I'm going to remove the executions here. So I thought previous day low was a good potential draw on liquidity if it were to keep going lower. But like I said, I was aiming for that low hanging fruit, which was just these relative equal lows. So the actual trade that I took was my 930 protraction model. That's when we expand one direction after pre-market accumulation. I wait for a retracement inside the macro. And in this case, this also aligns with my seek and destroy model. So we came up during the macro. We took out the minor buy side. I was using first presentation fair value gap as a marker for inversion. We reclaimed it as a bearish fair value gap. Where did I take my entry? I took my short on this bearish breaker. Why is this a bearish breaker? Swing high, swing low, swing higher high, swing lower low. That move higher high took out minor buy side, touched New York opening price, and put in an SMT. I took my trade on the breaker. My stop loss was at the rejection block, and I took my profits just before low of day. I took it off like right there, so it was like a 2.25R trade. You could have held it to the low of day target, 2.4R if you took the same trade as me. And it looks like that seek and destroy bias or that range day bias is playing out pretty nicely right now, right? As soon as we came down, we went back up. We came up, we came back down. If you took a look at ES, you can see the seek and destroy very clearly. This is 100% a seek and destroy condition. So W? Yeah, seek and destroy. Look for low-hanging fruit. Absolutely. Don't even look for low-hanging fruit. Just take the trade at 2R, break even early, keep your stop loss good. Don't look for. This is my criteria. Obviously, you guys don't have to take my advice. I'm just telling you, I have lost so many accounts. I've been up 5,000 unfunded and I lost it because we got a couple days like this and I just lost my mind. I kept longing here, I kept shorting here. Like, Seek and Destroy blew me. Seek and Destroy just blew me. I needed to set very strict rules for Seek and Destroy. Now I have very strict rules for Seek and Destroy. So that doesn't happen to me again, you know? Can you show the breaker block? I can show the breaker block, no problem, brother. So, the breaker block is this, right? So, uh, look for a swing high right here, swing low right here, right? You see that? Swing high, swing low. That's this. High, low. Then we get a higher high. Ideally, this higher high is into some sort of key level, which it is because it put in the SMT. It also touched New York Open and the first presentation fair value gap. Then you want to see lower low. Lower low than what? Lower low than the low that we talked about right here. That's this one. So the breaker block was confirmed right there. It's also a CISD. There's also probably a 30-second inversion here. There's probably a 15-second bearish fair value gap. Got that tapped in right here. But I only have the 1-minute chart on this account. So that's your bearish breaker. I shorted right there. And I took it all the way down. You know? Take care, Damon. Appreciate you, brother. Do I have a video on Seek and Destroy? I have a video on daily profiles which covers Seek and Destroy. I don't have a full video on my model and everything, but that is coming. That is coming. All my models are going to be posted on YouTube. You guys just have to give me time because I do have a group that is my main priority. My take profit level was based on these relative equal lows. I took it off at London low. I don't look at the Dow ever personally. Let me check my Euro USD. Hey, Euro USD is going, boys. We might hit that TP. Might hit that TP. We might just hit that TP. This would pass my Forex account, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. You think NQ going up now? When to expect Seek and Destroy? Couple things. Look at London and Asia. If London is very expansive, there's a good chance New York session will be Seek and Destroy. Because, right, price was already distributed during London session. That's one. Two, if yesterday was a large day range, usually we get a Seek and Destroy range day on the next day. Sometimes. Number three, you can look at the economic calendar, of course. If we're expecting large volatility on another day, you might expect less volatility on this day. Or if we're expecting more expansion on one day or a larger range, you can expect a smaller range on a day like this. I think that pretty much covers it. I think NQ is going up now. Yeah, see how, notice that short just fizzled out? Very typical Seek and Destroy stuff, you know? Very typical Seek and Destroy stuff. Do I think it's going to go up? It looks like that move is starting to fizzle out. We're in the 1050 macro, so if we got a bullish breaker, that would be my criteria for a long. So, not that I would take it. Yeah, there's a lot of equal sell side. You're right. What happens on No News Monday? No News Monday is usually not that expansive. Seeking the short is when both sides of the markets are taken. Yes, pretty much. I mean, not really. They're usually always both taken, right? But it's when the market just keeps ranging. We're hunting liquidity on both sides constantly, pretty much. So you see this tool, the magnet tool on TradingView? That will anchor your thing to any specific level. So any level on a candle. So as soon as it anchors onto that level, let's say I want to do this low, I just click shift and it'll go straight. You check GU. I have GU right here on my left. I'm hoping GU can also take out these lows because I'm in a short on Euro. High, low, higher, high, lower, low, 1 minute unicorn. I mean, the fair value gap just got stopped. intermediate rebalance. It might actually go lower here, but it's not clean. Seeking destroy is hard, bro. It's really hard. It's really easy to make a mistake when the market's moving like this. Really easy to make a mistake. I guess I'll post that trade recap. Why do I prefer breaker blocks and FEGs? I think breaker blocks the strongest PD array. Well, it is the strongest PD array. That's not up for debate. And I like fair value gaps because visually they're easy to see. You can't really misidentify a fair value gap, and it's just what I backtested. You know, how do I get live action chart on TradingView? You have to pay for real time data. MySoul's the brother, bro. I love MySoul. Meme coins, you can make a lot of money, but 99% of people are not gonna make money on meme coins. What time frames use bigger blocks? Mostly the 1 minute. I'll look at all of them, but most of the time it's gonna be the 1 minute. That was an accident. Haven't seen Meiso live in a minute. I think Meiso's running his mentorship, so he's busy with his people. Or he's just not trading. What's your bias? Hey, my bias was range day. The bias was correct. And I am gonna put this in the journal now. What about the liquidity sweep? What about the liquidity sweep? Just classic seek and destroy today, guys. So I'm just journaling in my Discord. I always post my trades in the Discord. Where's the breaker block on this play? I got you. This is your breaker block. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. Yeah, but and you nothing wrong with just walking away, man. Nothing wrong with just walking away, man. Go play some games. Go back tests. Go for a walk. Go take a nap. Just leave it, bro. You don't have to trade today, you know? That's the thing. You really don't have to. It's PO3 forming. I would look at 11 a.m. power of 3. So look at the 10 a.m. candle right now. Let me teach you little guys something about power of 3. This is your 10 a.m. candle. Do you think this 10 a.m. candle is going to flip? If so, look for a bullish breaker below. If you think it's not going to flip, then look for an inversion fair value gap to continue lower. Pretty much the premise of my power of 3. Pretty much. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. Breaker block, fair value gap. 10 a.m. is right there. Why use 10 a.m. open? Because 10 a.m. open is the candle opening price, you know? It's your higher time frame candle. Longs look better than shorts. Yeah, I would look for a long because I feel like the short just fizzled out. You have a bullish breaker. My win rate? Depends on the month. To be honest, I'm not that consistent. I pretty much range anywhere from 40 to 70%. On Top Step this year, my win rate was like 40% on average. But I mean, that's including all of the blown accounts and stuff. So I mean, I wouldn't really use that number. If we had, right, if you take away the trolling and the gambling and all the shitty stuff, it would probably be closer to like probably 50, I'd say. Probably around 50. I mean, yeah, if it goes up, it could go down. It could also just do nothing. In my opinion, it's best to just stay away. There's going to be more trades. That's not bad if your RR is more than 1 or 2. Yeah, usually my average RR is better as long as I'm managing risk correctly. But again, I make mistakes sometimes, you know. I make mistakes too. I'm not the best trader in the world. I got a lot to improve. No trades today. Yeah, there wasn't. You had pretty much one opportunity here and one opportunity here, and that's kind of your only day. Today was a terrible day. Didn't take any trades. It's good that you avoided it, bro. It's really good you can identify that. I'm happy sitting here and watch the charts. Exactly. Just learn. Just be like, you know what? December 31st, into the journal, ass. Seek and destroy. We call this price action seek and destroy. This is not as bad as ES. Look at ES. How frustrating must it be? I don't need to take ES either, but it's good to just look at it every now and then. What's my trade zealous score? Someone nice. No, I'm not gonna recap every video on YouTube, but if you follow my TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, I'm gonna post the YouTube short. Like I'll post a short. I'm not gonna make a full YouTube video, but I'm gonna post a short. I'll probably post it now after right after I end the live stream. I'm just gonna have to quickly edit it. I guess I can edit it right now while I'm live because yeah, I can just edit it right now. I guess, or maybe I should get some food first. I'm kind of hungry again. Yeah, I think I'll get some food first. But if you're tuned in, I'm gonna post the recap. If you wanted to see the recap, I'm gonna post it in short form content. It's a 2-minute video. I'm gonna edit it right now very quickly. It'll probably be posted within the next 15 minutes. Um, yeah, bro. No, I love watching trade recaps too. Did you cop the Apex? I copped 3 Apex accounts. I full ported them all, and I blew every single one of them. And that's the story for the Apex accounts. Let's go works. Look, yeah, me too, bro. Me too. Same boat on you on that one. Same boat as you on that one. Nah. Nah, what? Nah, man. Listen, I'm not trying to pay the full activation fee. I'm not trying to pay the full activation fee on Apex accounts, especially the 150K plus. Um, I'm only profitable some months as well. I still have a lot of bad months. I still make a lot of mistakes. I gotta make some, you know. I mean, I got payouts. I got payouts within like 3 months. Can explain how your buy saying yes is bearish. Um, I like I said, I'm not really bearish. I was expecting this kind of ranging market, so I wouldn't say bearish, but I do think the next drawn liquidity on the daily chart is a daily low. It's previous day low. Not saying we're gonna get there today, but on the higher time frame, grand scheme of things, I think we can get down here. Can you trade SPY with funded accounts? You can trade options with funded accounts, I believe. You just have to find a prop firm that does that. I don't know any personally. They are charging for a full activation fee on Apex now. Yeah, January 3rd. They're gonna start that the daily fair value gap. Yeah, we can get there eventually. It's possible we go there now. I would favor the taking previous day low first. But it's possible. We could also do something like this. It's a balanced price range. What do you use and trade? I trade NASDAQ, and I trade using prop firms, Apex, my funded futures. I also trade Forex. I'm in this short on Forex right now, and I'm really hoping it hits TP because it would mean I pass my account. Can you explain how you buy? Okay, that's all good. What do you use and trade? Okay, that makes sense. 21,300. Yeah, maybe. All right, I think that was a pretty good session. I appreciate everyone coming through. If you're here waiting for the trade recap, we already did the trade recap. I'm going to post it in like 10 to 15 minutes. Apex will pay out as long as you don't break the rules. Can you show the Forex trade? This is the Forex trade. I shorted the hourly fair value gap, this big fat fair value gap. I took it as a pretty much a turtle soup entry model. You could have just taken the fair value gap itself. I took it after Asia highs. I had a limit order. As I went to sleep, I got filled. My stop loss was originally higher on the breaker block, but I trailed it. So my stop loss was like here or something. Like this breaker block, right? And what am I targeting? I'm targeting the daily equal lows. My cousin made 60K in 10 days and no payout in September 2024. He probably did not follow the consistency rule. And then Marco's at 1 today, I think, so it's better on the trade. Oh, Marco's the one? I didn't know that. You have to pass evaluation, then you get live. You pass evaluation, then you get the funded, yes. That's the Forex trade. I guess I can do a recap. If it hits TP, I can do a full recap of why I shorted Euro USD. I called this short out in my Discord. Man, I called this short out like this. Like, I literally said, once we take out this low, this high, like, I'm going to short previous day low. You know? Let me go find the person I remember I told someone. What was his name, man? What was that guy's name? Oh, I don't remember whatsoever. I don't remember his name, man. And bro, what the fuck is wrong with this P&L tool? What was his name? No, I won't take any more trades. This is Euro USD. What was his name? His name was, he was French. He was French. Let me see if I can find that guy. At Mario? No, it wasn't Mario. Whatever. I'm just gonna go to my Discord and say, "Yo, French guys, what's your names?" I forget their names. Any advice for gold? It'll probably continue. It's been chopping around, right? Has gold been choppy? I wouldn't look for anything today. Oh, big move today. But I mean, look at the monthly candle. See how it's a wick on both sides? I expect it to continue being a wick on both sides. So I'd have to wait for something to happen on the daily chart. We're still consolidating, right? We're still inside a range. It looks like we might come for these equal highs just based on that expansion. So it looks like we might come up here. I'd probably look for those highs and keep selling now. Oh, let's go. Previous day low. Can you explain how your bias? Okay, that's it. Anyways, I'm gonna go head out, boys and girls. I appreciate everyone coming through. I wish everyone a happy new year. I will be live tomorrow, but I will not be trading, obviously, because the market's closed. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I might play a game. I might backtest. I'll probably just ask the stream what they want to see. But I will be live tomorrow on YouTube and TikTok. I will see you guys live tomorrow and this entire week. Is it me? I'm from France. Probably not you, bro. Probably not you. I'm gonna really play charts and learn. Yeah, maybe we'll do some backtesting. See you, Movie Share. Appreciate you coming through. Happy New Year's, everybody. Good stuff today. Take care, everyone. Peace.